Hey YouTube, on today's episode of Garage Boys, I want to show you guys a quick fix on your AC. This is a Toyota Camry 2003. This will work on any 2002 all the way to 2007, I believe. Quick fix: if your AC for some reason stopped working and it's blowing warm air, and as you can see it blinks. If your AC light blinks just like this means that you're having an electrical issue. So what I did is I came and checked my fuses, and let me go ahead and check them. But see how the light is, and you come and you check the AC compressor, and it doesn't turn. Let me see. See right there, it's not turning. That part is not turning. So it doesn't have any freon movement, so it doesn't get cold. So I check your electrical stuff. So you come in here, there's some fuses on the inside. You can check those. Just make sure all your fuses are okay. Then you come here and you check all your fuses. And I did that and everything was okay. Then I had to move on to the relays. And this clutch has a magnetic clutch, this AC compressor. And the only relay for that is this one. It's MG CLT magnetic clutch. And it's this one right here. So it's your third to last, this one right here. The only way to check relays, what you can do is you can swap it with another one of lower importance, maybe your wiper blades or whatever. And then once you swipe it, you can see if it works or not, and then that's the issue. You can buy it or whatever. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna swipe it. The same. I'm gonna swipe it with horn. The horn. I'm not gonna use my horn. Let's just say that I'm gonna sacrifice my horn for AC. So. And my car's on right now. I just want to show you how I fix this issue. I played with it already. But just don't do this with your car on. I mean, it doesn't really matter, but... it does matter. You may have an electrical issue, but just go ahead and remove the relays. There you go. And now I'm just going to put the horn relay, which is the blue one in my case, right here. Alright. Now let's go ahead and check I guess the light will be the first thing, or I'm going to turn off the car, turn it on, I'm not sure. So my light's still blinking. Let me just turn off the car. Turn it back on. Let's give it a second. I just wanted to make a whole live video so you guys can see the fix. So there you go, it's now blinking. I can feel it cooling. Yeah, it's getting cold. And as you can see, it's steady. Let me show you the compressor, how the compressor now is turning. Usually it takes a while for it to blink, but it's been over a while what it usually takes for it to blink. Alright, let me check the AC compressor. And there you go. You can see this part is spinning. See that? So that's it, guys. That's your fix. That's the problem. Toyota was friendly enough to give us that blinking light to know it's something electrical, and that's how you fix it. I have another video on removing the same compressor, which I just removed it, so I can show you guys how to do it, just in case that's not your issue and you have another issue. And then, so if you need to remove the AC compressor, click on this little tab right there that just appeared. You can go to the next video and showing you how to remove the AC compressor and also how to remove the serpentine belt. But alright guys, I hope this video helped you guys a lot. And, summer's coming, you need that AC running. So if it did, just like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.